Welcome to another video from the channel. I'm Robson, thrilled to guide you through today's comprehensive COP results and insights. Here, we detail a 16 profit spanning from May 11th till today with an elaborate breakdown of each trade's input and output.
I'll share additional information below, both in the description and the pinned first comment for your convenience.
The provided registration link directs you to a site where you'll activate the copyforex link and easily set up your account for seamless usage. At the same time, after registering, I'll include a secondary link directing you to the broker site tagmarkets, enabling account activation step by step. Then you can, on the menu, copy X. When you click, you will have 60 copy options. My top recommendations, Sonic and NewFX, consistently deliver impressive trading performances worth considering.
Additionally, over 300,000 traders are actively replicating this operation, showcasing trust and widespread adoption. Here you can observe that there are more than 46,000 copy operations, making it a substantial amount to take into consideration.
Sonic's downgrade is Dorotus.
This is fantastic news. To get started here, you just need a minimum investment of $10, which is a relatively small amount.
Once you want to activate your plan, you come here,
connect, and add the value you want, added. Write it down. Come check it out. No, you let in. Copy now. Before I forget, let me remind you to come here, take your spot at the top, and ensure you add your balance correctly.
You will need to select the specific currency and the type of cryptocurrency you wish to add. For instance, I received $259 here, which is now ready for withdrawal.
This represents the value of both profits and deposits in the account.
If you access the analysis feature, you'll notice I can process the withdrawal after 2 days. It's recommended to begin with a 30-day cycle, after which withdrawals can be made. Withdrawal successful. Now I'm going to pick up 64. I navigate to the withdrawal section, input the $64 amount, hit the blue button, choose the appropriate wallet and cryptocurrency type, and process the withdrawal.
The withdrawal transaction was processed successfully with no delays. As visible from the statement above, my account balance has been updated and cleared accordingly.
Check my wallet, I just received $64. At this insurance broker, your invested money is securely covered up to a limit of $1 million. The broker boasts an impressive score of 5.93, holding licenses in both the UK and Germany, maintaining positive performance consistently for the past 21 months. This is truly an amazing copy. If you are interested, Click the link below and secure your affiliate sign up for the purchase.